Welcome to the heart of our operation, the meticulous process of remanufacturing ovens. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes, showcasing the dedication and precision that sets us apart from the competition. Here at Northern Pizza Equipment, we take oven remanufacturing seriously. We don't just patch things up. We completely dismantle the unit, removing everything that needs to be replaced. As you can see here, our journey begins with the teardown process. It's out with the old as we rip out aging wiring, gas valves, and pretty much anything else besides the frame of the oven. In this step that you see here, one of our experts is removing the blower system. This can be a complicated part of the process and takes some hard manual work to remove, so don't bother trying to do it on your own. Let our experts do it for you. Here, we're removing the entire back of the oven. The old blower will be replaced with a brand new one. Now we begin the rebuilding process. Our technician puts in new circuit breakers and fuses and meticulously follows manufacturer guidelines for rewiring the oven. We are completely rebuilding this oven, from the gas train to the electrical system. The oven is completely gutted and the old parts are sent to the scrapyard. Many of our competitors simply remove parts, fix them, and put them back into the oven, but not us. That's right, we don't refurbish. All the parts that are removed from the oven are replaced with brand new parts. This is what really sets us apart. When it comes to quality and commitment, we don't just meet the standards, we set them. Don't settle for a quick fix. Choose Northern Pizza Equipment for a complete and long-lasting oven remanufacturing experience. Call us today to get started.